I will use ground beef today. Put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and a bit of pepper into the ground beef. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix well. Let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Then you slice a bit of carrot and chop them finely. Do the same with bell pepper. You can add any vegetables you like. After 10 minutes, put the marinated beef into a preheated pan and stir fry well. Since it's ground beef, make sure it doesn't clump together. Cook until the moisture evaporates. Once the beef is cooked, add the chopped vegetables and 2 pinches of salt. And stir fry for another minute over medium-high heat. After 1 minute, put it in a bowl and let it cool. In a bowl, put 2 bowls of rice with 2 pinches of salt, half tablespoon of sesame oil, and some sesame seeds. Then add the stir-fried beef and vegetables. Mix well. Take a suitable amount of rice and shape it into round rice balls with your hands. Alternative method, take some rice in your hand and shape it into a rice ball like this. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs with a pinch of salt, lightly grease the pan, and spread about 1 tablespoon of the egg mixture thinly. Place the prepared beef rice ball on top of the egg and roll it up carefully. This makes it look nice and taste even better. Elegant and delicious beef rice ball is done.